Hi, I'm Chris Cordell, and welcome to Creating Flow Initiative in Critical Engineering. We have got great videos breaking down each of the 4 building blocks of creating flow. These 4 building blocks include value stream mapping, capacity management, planning, and visual controls. In this video, we will focus on Fluid Kinetics production system. You will have a unique look into how they've used the building blocks to create flow and achieve terrific results in their facility. I hope you enjoy and check out the other Creating Flow content that is available.
At Fluid Kinetics, the sales and operation planning process is part of the overall cycle scheduling of the plant and level loading of the shop. Fluid Kinetics does not have a direct sales team. We are primarily supported by the CCI America sales team. As such, on a monthly basis, I build a report for the CCI sales team that gives them a view of the shop load in terms of unit demand and capacity for our 2 primary value streams of silencers and desuperheaters. The report also covers monthly revenue booked on the plant and shows gaps in the bookings versus the published quarterly forecast.
Capacity planning is a key foundation to creating flow. Balancing and leveling the workload of the back office functions like engineering, project management, and quality is every bit as important as leveling the workload throughout the manufacturing floor. At Fluid Kinetics, in our capacity planning stage, we have created a slotting count. If something is red, it shows the capacity adjustments needed. The yellow indicates that we have build capacity available. We can load more hours within that current day or week. And then the green indicates days for shipping that are available, so we can communicate with our customers, yes, we can meet that contract date. After capacity planning has started, we've introduced the next level, which is leveling and scheduling the production parts throughout the production system. On the screen behind me, which is wall 2 of our OPEA, this tool is presented and actually shows the leveling of the different parts to the product being built at certain times and days. It also allows us to adjust capacity based on available crews. From this point, we are able to then release orders to the shop floor and slot and level through the Heijunka post.
After capacity planning and level loading is done in the back office, we've been able to bring this out to our production floor through the Heijunka post. What we've been able to create are parts withdraw, a 30-day window, a 30-day view of parts that we withdraw at our pacemaker, which is a pay by date. Our production instructions are then slotted in the Heijunka post. 2 poles per day in each of the different subs of the line. The production instructions for machining and then production instructions for cutting is offset by 1 day. And then 1 day offset also for the silencer line slotting, which equates to our 5-day manufacturing shop floor lead time in order to meet our parts withdrawal.
Through value stream mapping, we identified many areas of work in progress inventory and silencers. Previously, we had 2 lines that created an additional 5 days of work in process inventory and also many disruptions in our workflow. We achieved our future state by combining the 2 lines, eliminating the 5 days of WIP, reducing our lead time by 5 days, and creating a one-piece flow. Another improvement is that we brought our core wrapping, which was previously done outside, in line. That reduced our travel distance by 95% and also reduced process time by 30%. We also brought our silencer core pushing process, which was also previously done outside, in line, reducing our travel distance by 98% and reducing our process time by 35%. In our cut shop, we identified changeover time as an area that needed improvement. Due to our different sizes of plates and the changeover time, we are batching parts for products. To reduce this batching, we did a SMED event at the plasma table. The SMED event reduced our changeover time from 62 minutes to 5 minutes. We also conducted a TPM event at the plasma table, positioned our equipment in a U-shaped flow, and it reduced our travel distance from 545 feet to 20 feet. Another benefit of this reduced changeover time was that it allowed us to improve our flexible operations by enabling us to move our set shop operators to different areas of the shop that had heavy workloads at that time.
As you can see in FK's last current state, there are many opportunities to reduce width and improve flow throughout the value stream. As Phil and Jared explained, FK reached their future state by combining 2 lines into one and eliminating 5 days of width that was previously stored outside. In addition, they brought in 2 operations that were completed outside, now in line on the silencer line. They are now pulling product to the pacemaker, the paint by date, through the Heijunka post. Upstream from this point, they are triggering production on the silencer line. This is their first pull loop. The silencer line is then triggering 2 more loops to plasma cutting and to head sub-build. Once these areas pull from raw stock, a signal is sent to the suppliers to replenish, completing the 4th pull loop. Downstream from the pacemaker, there is continuous flow to the customer. From implementing this system, you can see that they are only holding minimum amounts of inventory, and the process is only producing based on customer demand, eliminating overproduction.
Through the Creative Flow initiative, Fluid Kinetics has benefited significantly from value stream mapping. To date, we've gone through 2 complete value stream mapping cycles on our silencer product stream. The efforts put in place for this value stream mapping have yielded a 6-week reduction in lead times, a more streamlined layout, and a one-piece flow manufacturing process. From raw material to finished product, FK's silencer processing time is 5 days or less. We've maintained our site-level inventory turns at an average of 8 turns while continuing to deliver at an on-time rate of 98%. I strongly recommend using the Creative Flow initiative to value stream your map product families, to identify ways to further reduce inventory and lead times within your facilities. The value will be seen in stronger KPI performance and increased customer satisfaction.